Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a way to get your games to start on your PlayStation 5. It's simply not working. So I had this issue with Grand Theft Auto and Elder Scrolls Online at one point. If we press options on the game and we go to upload and download the content right here for the saved files, let's just upload what we got to the cloud storage so we know we have a backup and a copy, because we're going to go ahead and just simply delete this. Now, if you're playing an online game like Elder Scrolls Online or Grand Theft Auto Online, it's not going to matter because you're not going to have any single player progress saved. So you're just going to be resyncing your account to the online servers. So if it is an online game and you don't have to worry about your campaign progress, no worries. Then we can go up to settings right here and scroll on down until we get to save data and game app settings. Scroll on down in here and go to PS5 or PS4. And mine was a PS5 game. So let's go to delete from console storage right here and select this. Then you can see upload to console storage. We already did that. Let's go on over to delete now. And then locate the game. So mine was Elder Scrolls Online. You can see it's only 3.5 megabytes. Let's go on over to delete. And I'm going to delete the save data from my PlayStation 5. Now, if you're going to be deleting something like Minecraft, you're going to be deleting some of your worlds. So if I go down to Minecraft right here, you can see this is roughly 1 gigabyte of data. Then we have Kingdom Come Deliverance. So you might want to copy some of this information over to the cloud first and just make sure it's on there. At any point in time, we can come back to this. If we have PlayStation Plus, we can download it in the future. So the easiest way is just press options over the game, go to check status of save data right here, and then you can sync the game data from the cloud to your PlayStation 5, and you can download it again. So I play on multiple different PlayStations. That's probably why I had to sync this. So if I press options, I can simply just download this back to my PlayStation 5. So now that you deleted it from your PlayStation, first try starting up the game. And you're going to have to go enter in your new settings, your brightness, your controller settings, etc., because all that should be deleted. But this is what gets my games to launch if they're not working. Now, another thing that you would try is go to the home screen here. Go up to the top. Go to settings, go to users and accounts. Scroll on down to other. And make sure your PlayStation 5 is set to console sharing, offline playing enabled, so you can play offline if something happens. And also you can share your games in PlayStation Plus with every other account on your PlayStation 5. But go to restore licenses right here and select the game and restore the license for that specific game. If you become unable to use content you downloaded, this can help fix that issue. Also, you can sign out your PlayStation 5 account and then log back in with your email address and password. And sometimes just doing this helps sync the PlayStation to the PlayStation servers, logging out. Maybe there's a disconnect or like a software update on your PlayStation. That could be pending somewhere in here. And that's the reason why nothing seems like they're working. So you got system software update. You go to here and just make sure your PlayStation 5's up to date. Also, if you check your downloads folder, maybe that game is downloading an update. So if I try to launch Fortnite right now, it's probably not going to work because I have an update downloading in the background. So let's go over to Fortnite. And this is probably what it's going to look like on your screen. Maybe this doesn't pop up for you, but you won't be able to start the game and play it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.